Your wife filed for divorce. She says she's done. You've been separated for months and it feels like she just keeps slipping further away. Maybe she's even cheated, saying she's felt alone in the marriage for years. And right now, you're at a breaking point. Most husbands in this situation either break down in despair or push their wife further away by begging and chasing. Neither of these will save your marriage, but there is a better way. In this video, I'm going to reveal the wife's exit strategy, the hidden step-by-step plan your wife follows before she leaves your marriage, or deciding to remove you as her husband permanently, and how understanding this can help you save your marriage before it's too late. I have a powerful PDF guide that breaks down the 7 steps your wife is going through right now. Comment action below and I'll send it to you. No email, no hassle, just comment. Case study, Steve's story. I had a client, we'll just call him Steve. He was a pastor that put his congregation before God and especially his wife. His wife tolerated being 4th or 5th priority instead of 2nd after God for over a decade. Steve reached out but initially refused help, believing he had plenty of time. Months later, he returned desperately. His wife had moved out, began seeing another man, taking his kids, moved states away, and then just divorced him. Like most men who come to me, Steve thought he had plenty of time. But like nearly every man I coach, he didn't. Things never get better on their own. They only get worse if you don't act. Right now, I need you to become a man of action. But in order for you to do that, I need to explain your future to you. The good thing about this future, it can be changed, but only you, the husband, the man, can do it. So, here's a portion of the wife's exit strategy. Number 1, the wife's exit strategy starts very subtly. She tries to control or nag you, not from anger, but just to see if you still care. And when you ignore this, she quietly moves to the next phase. Number 2, she temporarily leaves, packs bags, takes kids, says she needs space. But see, you think it's a break. It's an unconscious test run for her to see your reaction. Number 3, she becomes emotionally available to another man. Innocent texts and conversations at first, but extremely dangerous. Once her emotional connection shifts, it's really hard to win her back. Number 4, she directly threatens divorce, but often still hoping that you'll fight for her. Most men mistakenly ignore or downplay this critical warning. Number 5, she separates permanently. She moves out or forces you out, believing that she's exhausted all of her options. At this stage, she is dangerously close to irreversible decisions. Now look, this is only part of the strategy. There are 7 phases in all. Comment action right now, and I'll send you the complete PDF breakdown. After that, if you want to dive deeper, comment MASTERCLASS, and I'll share my full MASTERCLASS video, which is a training showing you how to respond effectively. Let's say you want both right now, the PDF and the MASTERCLASS training. Comment both in the description and I'll send it right over. Hey, don't wait until it's too late like most men I talk to. Get to know exactly where your marriage is right now. I'm asking you, be a man of action. Take action now.